The table below represents quadratic function h. So here we have x and h of x. If 6 is a solution to h of x equals 0, what is the other solution? Alright, I'm going to show you the long way, and then I'm going to show you the super easy way, okay? The long way, if you know that 6 is a solution, that means when h of x is 0, the x is 6. I'll go ahead and show you the super easy way. If you look at the table, where else is h of x 0? They're saying when h of x is 0, x is 6. Well, right here when h of x is 0, x is negative 2. So this does happen. The answer is staring at you. There's nothing you have to do except understand what's going on and interpret the situation. Okay, so negative 2 is the answer to this one. Alright, now say you didn't know that. Well, you could put this in the table, stat edit, stat calc, number 5, because it's a quadratic function. And then you would scroll along 0 here and you'd find negative 2 on the left in the calculator, just like you would right here on the table. But since it's already there, we don't have to really worry about it or do much of anything. Okay? Since it's so straightforward, I'm not going to put it in the calculator. If you want to do it on your own, stat edit, stat calc, number 5, and you would look for 0 on the left hand side. The places that have 0 would be negative 2 and 6. Alright, let's get number 11. The vertex of a quadratic function is negative 1 comma negative 9, and the y-intercept is 0, negative 8. Okay? Which one of the following could be the equation of the function? Okay, now they're not giving you the x-intercept, they're giving you the y-intercept. Okay, to get a better understanding of this, I suggest drawing a picture. So you have like your y-axis, your x-axis, and the y-intercept is 0. First of all, let's do the vertex. Negative 1 to be 1 to the left, and negative 9 to be 9 down. So this is a minimum vertex, looks like. And the y-intercept is 0, so I don't go left or right. And negative 8, I go down 8. So we have a y-intercept here, and we have a vertex here. So we could figure out another point right here, and we could get the equation. That's one way you could do this. Okay, let's go ahead and do it that way first. And then I'll show you another way to get it as well. Okay, so what we do is we draw our line of symmetry through the vertex. And how far away is this 0, negative 8? 0, negative 8. And then this is negative 1, negative 9. To go from this point to this point, we went left 1. So guess what? The twin of this 0, negative 8, we would go left 1 again, because there's going to be two twins here. Okay? What is the ordered pair of this point? Well, if this is negative 1 right here, this would be negative 2. So we would go negative 2, and since it's a twin with this one, we would go down 8. So we have another point that is negative 2, comma, negative 8. All right? Now that we have 3 points, we can put them in a little XY table and do stat edit, stat calc 5. We'll have the equation. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put my 3 points in a table: 0, negative 8, negative 1, negative 9, and negative 2, negative 8. This is one way to get the answer. I will show you another way as well. So we're going to go ahead and clear out a calculator. And let's go ahead, I'm going to try to put this here so you can see it. Okay. Stat edit. Let's put in our table 0, negative 1, negative 2. Right hand side, negative 8, negative 9, negative 8. Stat calc 5. So it's 1x squared plus 2x minus 8. Here we have 1x squared. It's invisible 1. It can be 1x squared plus 2x minus 8. That's the answer. Now, if you are not able to remember or figure out this third point to do this, no worries. You would just put in each answer choice one at a time. You'd put in choice A. You'd go to the table and you would see if this point is on the table and this point is on the table. If it's not, which it wouldn't be, you'd go to the next one and you would do all of them until you got the right answer. That's another strategy that would most likely give you the right answer. Okay, we'll do 2 more on the next video.